Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Rogue trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release lever. It's usually a small, glow-in-the-dark handle found on the inside of the trunk lid. Once you find it, simply pull the lever firmly towards you. This action will immediately unlatch the trunk, allowing it to open. This crucial safety feature is designed for quick exits in emergency situations. If you need to access the trunk from the cabin, start by folding down your rear seats. Most Nissan Rogue models have release buttons or levers located on the top of the seatbacks. Press these to unlock and fold the seats forward. This creates a clear path into the trunk area. Once the seats are down, you can carefully climb into the trunk to reach the emergency release lever. The emergency release lever is specifically designed to be easy to find and operate, even in low light. It's usually a small, brightly colored handle, often yellow or orange, and glows in the dark. You'll find it mounted directly on the inside of the trunk lid, close to the latch mechanism. A single, steady pull on this lever is all it takes to release the trunk and open it. Always take a moment to familiarize yourself with all your vehicle's safety features, including this emergency trunk release. It's vital to know where it is and how it works, especially if you ever need to help someone who might be accidentally locked inside. Remember, safety first. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money and other exclusive deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.